So, are you eager to start investing but don't have a lot of money to spare? In this video, we've got you covered. Join us as we dive into small, smart investment strategies tailored for beginners with limited funds. From understanding the basics of investing to exploring low-cost investment options, we will guide you through the steps to kickstart your investment journey without breaking the bank. Because smart investing is the process of allocating resources, usually money, with the expectation of generating income or profit in the future. And it's an essential component of building wealth and achieving financial independence. By investing wisely so you can grow your assets over time, the most important thing is outpacing inflation and securing your financial future. Whether you are saving for retirement, building an emergency fund, or aiming for financial freedom, investing is a crucial tool to help you reach your goals. And that's because when you invest your money wisely, you benefit from compound interest. So when you want to do that, it's important to first set financial goals. Setting clear investment goals is essential for success in the financial world. Without specific goals, it's challenging to stay focused and motivated on your investment journey. So your goals could include saving for retirement, buying a house, or funding your children's education, or starting a business. So by defining your goals and establishing a timeline for achieving them, you can create a roadmap for your financial future and make informed investment decisions that align with your objectives. Then we have step 3, budgeting and saving. Budgeting and saving are the foundation of any successful investment strategy. Before you can start investing, it's crucial to have control over your finances and live within your means, right? So this one is really important, and that is create a budget that allows you to track your income and expenses and identify areas where you can cut costs and allocate funds towards your investment goals. Plus, by prioritizing saving and making it a habit to set aside a portion of your income each month, you can build a solid financial foundation and create opportunities for future growth through investing. Then step 4, understanding risk. Because risk is an important part of investing and refers to the uncertainty of future returns. Different investments carry varying levels of risk. So higher potential returns typically associated with higher levels of risk. And understanding your risk tolerance is essential for creating a well-balanced investment portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and comfort level. So by diversifying your investment across the different asset classes and risk levels, you can mitigate your risk and optimize your portfolio's performance over time. And we all have to start small, right? So then we start with step 5, starting small. One of the most significant barriers to investing for many people is the misconception that you need a large sum of money to get started. But the reality is that you can start investing with small amounts of money and increase your budget over time. So whether it's setting up a retirement account, opening a brokerage account, or investing in low-cost index funds, starting small allows you to dip your toes into the world of investing without taking an excessive risk. And a lot of people don't get this, and hopefully you do. Because over time, as your financial circumstances improve, you can increase your investment contributions and take advantage of compounding returns to grow your wealth exponentially. And then the last step, step number 6, keep the costs low. Because when it comes to investing, costs can have a significant impact on your overall returns. It's essential to understand the specific fees associated with different investment products and strategies to make informed decisions that maximize your earnings. Don't buy investment products with high fees. By minimizing the costs and optimizing your investment strategy, you can keep more of your money working for you and achieve better long-term results. And if you want to have success as a beginner, slightly begin to start to invest your money in broad diversified ETF portfolios. You only have to choose 2 simple names, which I provide in a detailed guide about what I buy for myself. So keep it simple, take care, and see you in the next video.